How you doing, everyone? So if you're struggling to take care of your car and keep it clean more than once or twice a year, and you know you should be doing it more often than that, stay tuned as I got something that may help you out. I understand we all have busy lives, we all have jobs, we have friends, we have family, some of us have kids, and we love to spend time doing activities with our friends and family. So yes, finding time to take care of your vehicle can be difficult. The thing is, not being able to regularly maintain your vehicle is no better than not showering. Just like when you don't shower, your car is getting dirty, it's collecting germs, and it's starting to smell a little. And I bet you're a little bit like me and you don't like your car looking like you after you haven't showered in 6 months. So I'm not sure if this is going to be for you or not, but we do have our maintenance detail service. And in that service, we're cleaning, protecting, and maintaining your vehicle on a regular schedule, just like changing the oil in your car. So if you're interested, check out the contact information below. And then, as always, I'm Dan. I'm the owner of Precision Pro Auto Detailing, and I look forward to helping you make your life a little bit easier through detailing. And don't forget to clean, protect, and maintain your vehicle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.